Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the missing furnitures that you haven't crafted for like a special furniture set in Heartopia. So if you go to collection here, like on your watch, if you go to special furniture, you'll see that you are missing like some furnitures that you haven't crafted for like a set. For instance, like the drive-in cinema. I still need to craft some items here to get like rewards like wishing stars. You can also get gold coins from this if you do like the bee workshop one, which you can get from Bob's shop, but you do need the recipe. So I'm still missing this one, and this. Just three more, I think. Let me see if I have those recipes. I'm just going to go to the crafting table here to craft the rest. Let's see. Okay, I need to do the serving cart. Don't have the sign yet, so I don't think I can complete that, but I'll complete the, let's see, I'll complete the like penguin one. So I haven't crafted the trash can, so I'm just going to do that. And as you can see, I'm going to need to craft 4 more items for that collection to finish the set, and then I'm able to claim the reward, which is the wishing stars. Oh my gosh, actually I can craft this one and this one. Maybe I should, you know what, I'll just do the penguin one while we're at it. So I need to do the tea table, penguin lamp. What else do I need? Oh, the snowman humidifier. Let's craft that. Okay, I need to craft 3 more items, so let's do that. Don't really like scrolling all the way down for it though, if I'm being honest. Tea table next, and then we will craft the, hold on, I actually don't remember. What else do we need? The lamp, and then what? It doesn't say here. Oh, the rug, sorry. Oh my gosh, my backpack is full. Let me just place this into my house, and then we can actually finish the set. This is like also like another good way to get like wishing stars, because I know they're very hard to obtain sometimes. Let's do one more. Wait, where is it? Up here it is. And yeah, that is pretty much it. And then once you're done with everything, you can claim the rewards in your collection. So let's go here and then go to special furniture, press the second button, and we can go to details and claim it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!